In this video, I will share with you how to make almond flour keto mug bread, and I will also talk about the calorie content in this bread. Alright, wellness warriors, I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe that you can make in 2 minutes. It is the almond flour keto mug bread. So we're going to be using almond flour, 1/4 of a cup. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of butter. This is salted butter. If you're using unsalted butter, then you would have to add a pinch of salt to the recipe. I'm also going to be using 1 egg and half a teaspoon of baking powder. So we are going to cook everything in this cup in the microwave. So you want a microwave safe cup to cook your almond flour keto mug bread in. First, I'm going to melt the butter in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Our butter is all melted. That's about 80 calories of butter right there, if you want to know the calorie count, because 1 tablespoon of butter is about 120 calories, so 2 teaspoons will be 80 calories. Next, we're going to add the egg. 1 egg is usually 70 calories, so 70 plus 80, we are at 150 calories at this point. Okay, so now I'm going to add my 1/4 cup of almond flour. 2 tablespoons of almond flour is 80 calories, so 1/4 cup, which is equal to 4 tablespoons, is 160. So plus 150, right now we are at 310 calories. 310 calories. Okay, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of the baking powder. Baking powder has little to negligible calories, so we are not going to count that one. That's my half a teaspoon. So this keto almond bread is 310 calories, most of it coming from fat and then some of it coming from protein, very little coming from carbohydrates. The total carb should be about 6 grams because 2 tablespoons of the almond flour has 6. Let me show you. So this is the nutrition fat. Carbs, 3 grams for 2 tablespoons. I use 4, so we have a total of 6 grams of carbs. Okay. So I'm going to pop this now in the microwave for 90 seconds. That is 1.5 minutes, and our bread should be ready. I'll be right back. Are you ready? So this is what we have, our keto mug bread. Now we're going to invert it. It should slide right out. So I'm going to slice it, and then you'll see how it looks like on the inside. Tribe, you can enjoy the bread just as is, or if you want, you can slice it and make a sandwich with the bread. Just keep in mind not to add too many things to the bread to keep the calories in check. This bread is absolutely delicious. It will be good for those watching how much carbs they are consuming. People that have things like diabetes, who cannot tolerate a lot of sugar in their diet, this is something that I will absolutely encourage you to try. Kindly tap on that like button, subscribe to join the tribe, share the video, and don't forget to eat things that also love you right back. Until next time, bye-bye.